cleared 4 to phase line Romeo. Observe and report.
Scorpion 6, this is Scorpion 2-1. Set phase line Romeo. We've got 2 TAC V's heading 270. Grid Victor Romeo 287.